MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is really meant for MT4 and not MetaTrader 5 brokers. Strictly meant for MetaTrader 4 brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers. Open an account with them and try out your strategy on Forex brokers demo account before you go live. Do check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your analysis. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do give me a thumb up and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning Forex trading strategy that you can use on top Forex brokers. I mean on Forex trading brokers. Now let's go on to today's strategy. As I said, I have few indicators on my chart here, and I will explain how to use each of these indicators profitably. I have this arrow indicator, and the candle here we have white and red by Fibonacci indicator. I have a moving average and I have a SRSI indicator here, and beside that I have a symbol changer indicator just to change from one pairs to another. So let me show you how to use this Forex trading strategy. Let me delete this vertical line I have on my chart. Now this is how to use this. We have the moving average here. The candle must close below the moving average for a sell, and for a buy it must close above the moving average. This yellow arrow must be present for a sell, and this blue must be present for a buy, and this must turn to lime color for a buy and red for a sell, and it must be below minus 0.5 for a sell and above is 0.5 for a buy for this particular indicator. Now let us combine all these indicators together. Now at this particular point I have this yellow arrow here, and when you check, this did close below the moving average, but when you check the indicators window, the indicator here turned to yellow, meaning there's no clear signal, so you are not going to take any trade at this particular point. This is where we have this turning to red here, and it was below minus 0.5 for a sell. So at this particular point, this is where you can place your trade and ride the trend when we have all the indicators in agreement. It's a simple indicators that have combined together, and you can trade profitably. And for a buy, we have this crossing turning to green or lime color, and it was above 0.5. We have this arrow present here for a buy, and it did close above the moving average. Your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low. Then your risk to reward ratio might be 1:1 or 1:2, and you ride the trend. Here is another point to enter more trade. Did close above here, and this remain line. So this is a good continuation where to enter. And if you want to scalp on lower time frame, you can just demarcate where you have the signal generated on the higher time frame, like 1 hour, and go back to lower time frame to scalp in the direction of a higher time frame. Yes, it on the 1 hour. Let's go back to 15 minutes to check it out. Here on 15 minutes we have for a set signal here. Yes, another confirmation. Yes, another confirmation. You are not going to take any trade that is against the main trend on 1 hour time frame, and here we have a lot of opportunity to enter more sell using this particular strategy. So let's check another pairs, but the methodology do remain the same. Here is it on the card Japanese yen. See, have the same methodology. Here is it. We have confirmation here at this particular point for a sell. For a buy, we have all the indicators in agreement at this particular point. For a sell, we have all the indicators in agreement at this particular point. Let's check it out on gold also. All euro, Australia, dollar is still the same principle. For a buy, we have all the indicators in agreement at this particular point. And for a sell, we do not have confirmation right now, though we have the arrow at this particular point close below the moving average. This remained yellow, and in between is 0.05 and minus 0.05. So this is not valid signal yet. And let's check it out on gold also. So on gold, on the 1 hour time frame, we have a good right here. This is confirmation. This was the first signal. We have it above 0.5, and you can keep on adding to your lot size or keep on entering more trade, since we have all the indicators in agreement and follow that particular arrow. And if you want to trade it on lower time frame, it's still the same principle. Just make sure you allow all the indicators to be in agreement. For a sell, we have all the indicator in agreement at this point, and for a buy, we have all the indicators in agreement at this point. And this is how to take this trade. And the last signal that was generated here, we have the arrow. It did not close below the moving average. This did turn to red and went back a bit. So this is not the right place or the right point to enter a sell for this particular indicator or this strategy. Make sure you trade on regulated forex broker. So let me show you all the indicators that I use for this particular strategy, and the download links to all the indicators are in the video description. I did include my template. Make sure you check it out. So the number one indicator here is Supermat profit indicator. These are the inputs, and these are the color that did give us this arrow. And the second indicator is the moving average I have here, period 20 shift 0, MA method simple, apply to weighted close, and I use deep pink color. And this candle I use Inclination indicator just for the candle only, and the symbol changer. And the indicator window I use a SRSI indicator. These are the inputs, the colors, and the levels. Make sure you check it out, or you can use my template. I did include my template. So this is all the indicators I have combined for this particular winning strategy, and you can use this on regulated forex brokers. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do give me that thumb up right now. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader Joe, and bye for now.